Welcome back to Leaders of Tomorrow. In 1998, MS Shanbag saw the opportunity in manufacturing industrial drying equipment, and that's how his company Shachi Engineering was born. Today the company caters to various industry sectors like food, pharmaceuticals, ceramics and chemicals. Its customized products have today made it a leading name in the drying industry. Here's the story. Shachi Engineering, based in Pune, is a leading consultant and manufacturer of industrial dryers and allied technologies today. It has reached this pinnacle of success through the sheer hard work and vision of its managing director MS Shanbag, an engineer by profession. With just 1800 rupees in his pocket, he started out from Karnataka in search of a job and reached Pune.
Basically, I am from neighboring state of Karnataka. I did engineering in Karnataka, came for a job to Pune with 1800 rupees, and whatever I dreamt, I wanted to start a business at the age of 32.
He worked in various manufacturing plants before starting Shachi Engineering with his wife Suruchi Shanbag. His experience of over a decade is exemplified by the finely engineered product range that his company offers. His wife, on the other hand, a director in Shachi, aligns herself more towards the marketing aspects.
Basically, I am looking after basic proposal making, support to marketing department, projects department, implementation of systems, administration work.
Shachi Engineering's products are applied to diverse industries with constantly changing needs. Hence, innovation has been one of the key drivers for the company's growth. Shanbag takes a keen interest in research and development, and as an organization, Shachi invests constantly into its R&D wing. This enables the company to design and engineer products specifically suited to the industry requirements of their varied clients. The motive is to offer unmatched solutions and keep competition at bay.
Shachi Engineering Private Limited, what we think, we design the system properly, we design the system, we give the hardware whatever is required for the rated capacity for the operation of the plant. We define the system, we make understand before finalization of order also, we make understand client what is necessary and what has to be taken.
Shachi's product range includes spray dryers, flash dryers, spin flash dryers, conical mixers, evaporators, hot air generators, zero discharge plants, detergent plants and much more. These products are applied to the industry sectors of food and dairy, chemical plants, ceramic manufacturing units, pharmaceutical and biochemical manufacturing. Shachi has untiringly made a conscious effort to understand these numerous industries and their processes to provide for better solutions.
We manufacture dryers, spray dryers, evaporators, Nauta mixers. We also design a specific pilot plant, process plants. The users are varied. We cater to industry for dyes, ceramic, pharma, enzymes, nutraceuticals. We are also entering a effluent treatment section of distillery. These are where there is a vast growth in this field, and basically we will be entering into distillery also in near future.
Shanbag believes that every Shachi undertaking should exhibit the highest integrity, energy efficiency and advanced technology. Shachi has a commitment to quality products for which it has a state-of-the-art manufacturing plant in Pune with all the latest machinery. This helps Shachi manufacture products efficiently and deliver them on time.
Transparency mainly, and commitments to whatever the technology we assure, whatever system we give, that is always technologically advanced. None of our systems are alike. There is always some innovation given to the client.
With a strong, skilled and committed workforce, Shachi has reached a turnover of about 8 crore rupees. It not just manufactures but provides consultancy services as well. With years of experience and a very positive market standing, this has been another core business driver. Apart from this, Shachi provides upgradation and modification services to existing plants as well. With technology across various industrial sectors changing constantly and industries striving to keep pace, this wing of Shachi is bound to add to the company's revenues.
Right now our turnover is around 6 to 8 crores and we are heading towards this year we'll be completing around 15 crores. So in future, yes, surely we'll be doing better than this.
In a little more than a decade since its inception, Shachi has built a long-lasting relationship with its varied client base. Apart from its Indian clients, Shachi also exports its range of products to Southeast Asian and African markets. It is looking to increase its reach in these markets and also to explore new markets in other countries and continents.
Our major clients, to say where we have more than 20 installation in a single plant, is Colourtex Industries Limited, Surat. There is one more client in Surat, Spectrum Industries Limited, who has over 4 installations. And major of our installations were in Morbi up till 2004. We have given more than 123 plants in a single town, which was a major breakthrough given to a ceramic industry by Shachi Engineering Private Limited.
Well-qualified staff, satisfied customers and a constant endeavor to maintain quality standards has earned Shachi an ISO 9001 to 2000 rating as well as recognition from CRISIL. This has further motivated Shachi to emphasize on the best materials and state-of-the-art technology.
The plants whatever we have supplied are single shot commissioning. It is commissioned once and is a minimal of maintenance or breakdowns in our plant. We have more than 300 installations in India where till date maybe not even 1% complaints we have in last 11 years.
With recession behind us and the market soaring, manufacturing in India is set to take a big leap. And Shachi Engineering, providing solutions to various industry sectors, is at a juncture where growth and expansion in the future are almost certain.